thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin trying to bounce and create a higher low. Yesterday, we talked about how price action got rejected. Price action got rejected. Price action has some support. Bitcoin price action on the weekly time frame trying to put in another higher low, which shows accumulation. Can the whales be accumulating right now for another extreme move to the upside? Let's dive deep. So I talked about Bitcoin 4-hour chart on Twitter as well as in Trading Group. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. You can see this price action bounced on this level, was rejected here, acted as support here, rejected here. So key level right here, 40,500. The bulls for upside ideas need to flip and hold this level if you're going to get any type of major reversals out of Bitcoin. Very important that the bulls show up here for continued upside banging. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person started the group with $11,000 and he turned it into over $100,000. That's 900% gains. This person, he needs to find the deed to his house. While he was in the group, he bought this house while living in his in-laws' basement after losing everything. He took care of his dad for 4 or 5 years when he was ill. He bought a house based on what I taught him in the trading group. The bottom line is you have to learn the rules of this market, because if you don't, you will lose. If you're losing, it's because you don't know the rules, period. You learn how everybody else trades. You trade against them. You take their money. That's how this works, period. This person, good morning, Chris. You're always Johnny on the spot with the calls, my friend. I appreciate more than ever could tell you. The reason why I do this is exactly that, life-changing money. If you're struggling, I can help you. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount, 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. It pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Yesterday's video, Bitcoin 4-hour chart, we talked about this double bottom idea. Bitcoin bounced and broke out just like we talked about. Longer term bounce ideas. Now, this is the range high right here. This is the mid range. This is the low of the range. There's some rejection ideas right here. You've got a double top over. Want to see obviously a lower or more shallow retrace. It's bullish. All right. You want to see things change quickly. You want to break and hold 40,500 and then 41,500 for major upside reversal ideas for Bitcoin. Otherwise, this thing comes down here and retests the pattern, which is still a bullish idea, but nobody likes these pullbacks out of Bitcoin. This is the biggest trading edge that there is in this market, period. Every single morning, market open, I'm posting thoughts on what Bitcoin's going to do for the day, because I can tell based on the S&P 500 index after hours trading. Right now, it's barely green. We'll essentially call it flat. So 9 o'clock rolls around, 8:30 even. You'll start to see moves out of Bitcoin based on this idea. I've never had such an easy time trading Bitcoin, ever. People are upset. Oh, the stock market's here. The stock market's moving the market. Yeah, not amazing because the stock market's getting wrecked. But we went short. Look at this. We went short. Yesterday, I posted near 3x short. Last night, 21% gains. Everybody else is losing money and we're banging it. This is saying 3x short, up 12%. The game changes when you can learn to trade the market both ways. And we're going to dive deep into this in just a second. Now, SPX, I told you multiple times, there's bounce ideas, oversold levels. Now, what you don't want to see is a move up here to this resistance level where you had a bounce here, support, bounce here, lost the level, resistance, right? This is a key level right here, key level. If the Bitcoin bulls can't break this, I'm looking for another move down to 4,200 for the SPX. This is the S&P 500 index. I use this as far as pivots go. It's nailing every single Bitcoin reversal there is. I've never had an easier time trading Bitcoin, period. And then obviously altcoins follow. So understand that if the SPX bulls can't break this level and get rejected, I mean, bulls hope for a double bottom, but what you don't want to see is a low that's lower than these previous lows, right? Because a lower low would mean that the next high is a lower high, and this is still a long-term downtrend. Here is the S&P 500 index 4-hour chart. We just talked about, you had this inverse head and shoulders, oversold bounce idea, major reversal. Double bottom, reversal. You had double bottom, reversal. Now, this is a bounce, an oversold bounce out of the S&P 500 index. So again, if the bulls, S&P bulls can't flip this level, you're looking for a move to the downside. If you come down here to the lower trend line, here's your idea. You want to load up on altcoins. Here's your best entry. The Ape, one of the top gainers on Binance, got some good solid profits out of it. There's some altcoin upside. But if it doesn't roll and carry over to some higher time frames, flip as support, then you're not going to get this move to the upper trend line. You'll get this move lower first. You have to understand these ideas. If you are not charting these coins, you cannot win. If you do not know the rules of this market, you cannot win. In a downtrend, you definitely won't win, because if you hold downtrends, you lose, period. You have to learn the rules. I can help you. I do it all the time. Close to 5,000 members in the trading group for a reason. It's way underpriced. This is Bitcoin dominance. And now you see, this is a situation where we've had multiple moves in this range, where essentially every time the range low bounces, you've seen move to the range high. So this isn't necessarily super amazing for the altcoins, right? This means more money has been flowing into Bitcoin than the altcoins. So if this breakout resistance happens, it's not amazing for the altcoins. Altcoins do best when this thing pulls back. So if you get this pullback to support, easy altcoin trading, all the money flows into the altcoins. It's like Christmas when Bitcoin dominance gets wrecked, because altcoins are pumping insane. So focus on, you got to trade at the right times. You do not want to see this breakout above resistance and continue higher. Alts can bleed if this happens. Understand these ideas. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about it. Like the video. Leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.